as the stars above awaken with a golden show. In this fleeting moment, hearts begin to see that the world fades into nothing when you're here with me.
Every road has led us to this time and place. Through the storms and through the silence, now we're face to face, like a destined story written in the sky. All the doubts fade into nothing when you're by my side.
Can you feel the love tonight? In the air so true. It's enough to light the darkest night with the fire of me and you. Can you feel the love tonight? How it lifts our souls. It's enough to turn the lost and weary into hearts made whole. There's a rhythm calling in the moonlit breeze, guiding us like waves returning to the endless seas. Every heart has seasons, every love takes flight, and in yours I found my reason to believe in life. Can you feel the love tonight? Like a gentle flame. It's enough to break the walls of fear and never love the same. Can you feel the love tonight? Let it lead us on. It's enough to make a dreamer stay where their hearts belong. Oh, time may change the rivers and fate may shift the sand, but love will stay unbroken when you take my hand. Oh, can you feel the love tonight? How it binds us near. It's enough